Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a review about a couple of Hummers from the brand Master. We see four of them in front of us and one is already out of the package because I couldn't wait any longer. Do we know the brand Master? Yes we do, because I've got a couple of more castings from that brand. Check out this one, already did a review about it, you can look it up on my YouTube channel. Metal base, metal body, tons of details, good interior, a lot of accessories. And yes, this is also a weathered version, just like two of the Humvees right here. Also got this Gulf livery, definitely one of my favorites. And yeah, one of the mud flaps. You think it's broken, but it's not, because this one has the same thing. They just do that, it's more realistic, and you see each one is totally different, and that's what I like about this brand. Lots of details, very good quality, a real cool die-cast model. Okay, let's start with the one that is already out of the package, the yellow one with the black rims. Let's take a look around first. Then we're going to take a look at the details. Soft top. Okay, let's start with the front, and we zoom in a little bit. So my eye goes immediately to the suspension. It doesn't have suspension, but Master was so kind to looks like it has suspension. I think that is really cool. Of course, it was better if it had real suspension, but yeah, this is kind of cool that it is also in a red color. I like that. We have a lens, the headlights. Uh, Also, a reason for me to bought this Humvee is because of the protection on the hood, that black bull bar. That is a really cool feature. Then we have the light bar here on top, and let's focus on the window, because the windscreen wipers are not molded in the glass, they're lying on top of the window, plastic. And we even see some right there, three lights. I like that. Good detail. And here to open the hood, not sure what's the name of that in English. This is, I can't read what's there. It's some kind of logo, maybe from Humvee, I'm not sure. Here the door panels with the black side mirrors with a silver sticker on it. Interior, a little bit difficult to see, but it is a real Humvee interior. Nice steering wheel. Do we have details? No, we don't have details on the dashboard. It's just black. Okay, let's go to the back. Really like the rims, by the way, and we even have some brake disc, and they're just staying on their place. You can also see the brake claw. Okay, here we got the back, and we also see the red suspension. Yeah, I think this is the logo from Humvee. We got Lance rear lights. Spare tire, that is the same as the one right here. Yes, just like I said, a soft top. Okay, let's go to the base. So a metal base. Got some details, and here is the exhaust, and that is going all the way through here and then to the back. It's cool. Normal screws, so you can take it apart for some customizing. Maybe put some color on the dashboard. Nice profile on the wheels. Does it roll? For some people that is very important. I have to say, for me, not so important, but I like when it's rolling. Yep, perfect. Okay, let's go to the next one. The one right here in Woodland camo weathered version. Let's take a look at the box. This one is also available in a non-weathered version. So here we got a picture of the Hummer H1. I don't think it's a licensed product. We see that a lot with Chinese brands. So here we got some text. Freeze the image if you want to read it. Yeah, it comes in a nice box with a display case. Brand Master Hummer H1 in a 1/64 scale. Okay, let's take it off the base. There we go. So here we got different rims than this one right here. And that's so cool about Master. For every casting they use different things, different details. So here we also have a different bull bar. Here is the snorkel, the exhaust, side mirrors. I think it's pretty well weathered with the mud on it. Very well done. And I also like the Woodland camo. We cannot take this off. Here we also have the same exhaust. And we also have the red suspension on the front and in the back. Yeah, really cool casting. Lens headlights in the rear and in the front. And also the windscreen wipers. Very cool. Okay, let's go to the next one. Also weathered version, pretty much the same, but in desert livery. Same box. So yeah, this one is basically the same as the Woodland camo, but now it comes in a desert livery. Red suspension, lens headlights. We got the windscreen wipers here, 2 side mirrors. And this one is also available in a non-weathered version. But I think it's much cooler when there is some mud on it. Base, here the name of the brand, Hummer H1, and the scale. Okay, and then the last one. This one, just like the yellow one, made for civilians. This one also comes in different color variations. But I choose the green one with the green rims. Same box, only the picture of the Humvee is different. Very nice green color. Okay, here we have the back of the Humvee. No opening parts. Storage compartment here on top. And here the base. Same as the other ones. And we also have the red suspension. Very cool Humvees from the brand Master. Lots and lots of details. Yeah, metal base, metal body. No suspension, no opening parts, but this is very good quality and one of the best 164 Humvees that I know that are available in diecast in 164. Now, do I have other Humvees in 164? Yes. This is the one from Johnny Lightning. Did a review about it a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, you see the difference. The one from Master has much more details and side mirrors. I can better show it with this one because they're both in Woodland camo. To do it like this. And the one from Master has a bull bar or a bumper. Okay, the one from Johnny Lightning has a license plate. But this one from Master has lanced headlights. And the one from Johnny Lightning is painted. We have windows all around. And Johnny Lightning has no windows on the side. It's a little bit weird. I like the wheels of both of them. And here we have the back. Yeah, the one from Master looks a lot better. But hey, it's also more expensive. To be honest, I think the base from Johnny Lightning is much cooler. And it seems a little bit different in size. The one from Master is a little bit bigger. Then I have right here one from Gorgie. That one is bigger, I think 155 scale. Well, I see that if you look like this, they're pretty much the same. Yeah, the wheels are a little bit weird from the one from Gorgie. This one is from Gorgie. And it got a plastic base, but it's also weathered. And here we got the back. And I have also a 1/72 scale. This is from the brand, can we see that? I believe it's from the brand Dragon. Difficult to see. .172 scale. Lots of details. Here, check the base. Very cool. Last time I showed you this model, I broke the antenna. See, I glued it back on. Come on, focus. Yeah, thank you. Side mirrors. Cannon on top. Yeah. So yeah, excellent Hummers from the brand Master. I'm going to leave a link in the description of where you can buy these models, of where I bought them on AliExpress. They're not cheap. They're around $30 each, but you get a lot of Humvee for it. For now, I have to say thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your diecast friends. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.